Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with some great resource again. So this time, as you can see in the screen, kalam.io. So it's a programming language written in Hindi. Okay, so very interesting. So if you are familiar with Hindi, if you're Indian, you will get to know. So let's together explore this, and let's try to explore how interesting it is. So we will first go for learn column. So okay, so this is the documentation. So here, if you can read Hindi, so it is written दिखाए. So what's दिखाए means here? So the main purpose of दिखाए is results को output screen पे दिखाने के लिए दिखाए का उपयोग करता है. So just it means just to print something on screen, you will be using दिखाए, right? So it will be like ये एक घोषित डिक्लेयर्ड वेरिएबल के लिए दिखाए करने के लिए यूज होता है. लाइक if you want to print the variable name equals to hello world, so to print that, you will be using दिखाए and inside brackets name, right? So it will be printed. Similarly, number can be printed, right? Strings can be printed. So, and also as same as other languages, you can also concatenate. Okay, concatenate, like hello world plus my name is plus name. Okay, so name is a other variable here. So pretty interesting stuff, right? Then you can input. So input is similarly like taking input, I guess. So किसी नए वैल्यू को स्वीकार करना. ओके, सो इसका उपयोग कैसे करें? इनपुट को बताए आपको किस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू स्वीकार करनी है. सो टू एक्सेप्ट सम वैल्यू यू हैव टू यूज इनपुट. सो इनपुट अंडर ब्रैकेट्स वेरिएबल नेम. सो लाइक अगर तुम्हें इनपुट के तौर पर कलाम डालना होगा तो कंप्यूटर उसे यू इसे तरह स्वीकार करना. नेम इक्वल्स टू कलम. ओके, सो एक बार वेरिएबल की वैल्यू सेट होने पर उसे प्रोग्राम में कभी भी यूज किया जा सकता है. ओके, सो इफ योर वेरिएबल इज रिटन लाइक नेम इक्वल्स टू कलम, so to use that variable in any other sentence or any other place, you will be using input under that bracket variable name. Then you can use that variable, right? So it's simply like that. Okay, so if you are familiar with Hindi, you can similarly read this. Okay, so next, agar. So agar means एक certain condition. So it's like any certain condition को तहत तो execution को allow करता है. So two conditions, true or false. So single condition, language equals to kalam. If true, then will be write true. Agar age equals to greater than 18. So it simply means if in other languages, right? So if something like that, okay. So then other arithmetic things like greater than, less than, equals to, not equals to. Okay, as simple as other languages. Then you can use multiple conditions, and you'll be using and or things, right? Yeah, if age equals to 18 and education equals to SSC, then it will be like result in true, right? Or it will false. Similarly, this condition also. So if you're familiar with programming and other languages, so it's really easy for you to understand things. But it is really made for people who don't know English, don't know programming, and they are really like noob to programming. So to understand that, they have created in Hindi, as most of the people in India speak Hindi, right? So if you can read Hindi, then you can similarly read these things. Agar age greater than 16 and all, as and or things, and like two conditions should be true, or any one condition should be true. Okay, so okay, then दुहारा है x को y में. So काम एक की कोर को बार बार दोहराना. Okay, so it simply means multiplication. Value equals to x into 5, right? So For that we'll be using something like that, दोहरा। यही ए वाई एक रेंज है और 0 to 20। देन एक्स के इंडेक्स या फिर आइटरेटर है, फॉर एग्जांपल 2 और 20 के बीच में की वैल्यूज ले सकता है। सो इफ यू आर familiar with Python, I guess something happens in Python also. So दोहराओ XQCT में। So here instead of a custom range, we iterate with over the length of the variable. Okay, so iteration is going on. Basically, if CT equals to pusher, the range will be automatically set as 0, 5 because the range of the pusher is 5. Okay, so it's something like range that happens in, I guess, Python. So you can set any range, right? Then जब तक। So जब तक is similarly जब तक दिए हुए शर्त कंडीशन के पूरा होने तक आगे के दौर बन पाए। ओके, जब तक is like loop, I guess, right? So till that condition the loop will run, right? So इसका उपयोग कैसे करें? जब तक your condition, so greater than, less than, all these things are happening. So if count still count less than 25, it will run the loop, right? So it is simply like a loop in other languages. So the code will run until the condition evaluates itself to true. Okay, so I guess you have understood this thing. Then sankhya is your variable. It's directly found on the length of the string. Okay, so for the length of the string you can use sankhya. So your variable dot sankhya. So as we use in many languages like variable dot length or size. So it's simply like that, right? To get the length of the variable. If ct equals to bang, then ct dot sankhya will output will be value be 8, right? So the here dictionary type things is used. So if you use sankhya, it will be using 4 because 4 values are under that, right? So pretty interesting stuff. So I guess it is mostly related to Python. I don't know, I'm getting some Python vibes here, but let me know. Push, then push values to array. So to push values to the array, you can use something like that. Push array dot push your value. So it is again mixed with C++ thing also to push something in the vector, right? So pretty interesting. Like it's a mix of a lot of languages. Push value your value, right? So then rachna. So rachna is something like कोई जो दोबारा इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है उसे एक ब्लॉक में रैप किया जा सकता है। ओके, जिसे कम रचना कहते हैं। इसका उपयोग कैसे करें? एक रचना की डिफाइन करने के लिए रचना का काम प्रयोग टू पर्याय 1 पर्याय 2। ओके, रचना का काम कैसे सेंसिटिव होता है और उसमें सिर्फ अक्षरों का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। ओके, रचना पर्याय। सो यू कैन रीड दिस थिंग्स, राइट? रचना पर्याय का टेम्पररी वैल्यू स्टोर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। ओके, so to, I guess, it simply means to store some temporary values. You can use these things. Okay, so okay, I guess it is something like function. I don't know. Let me know. It's something like function, like add. Here add is written add bracket a or b comma v, right? Rachna. So I guess for that people are using these things. I guess it is function. Yeah, function is defined, right? Rachna. So I guess rachna is mainly function here. So you can write function in case of function in other languages. You can write rachna and then function name and all those things defined, and this thing will be stored in a function, and you can call them, right? So it's simply like that. Okay, The Sachin, Tendulkar use the like parameters, right? Parameters or arguments, whatever you can tell. So I guess I have covered the documentation. So let's write some practice, some questions. Practice. Okay. So we'll be using dikhai, then dikhai comma as other languages. We will also writing hello world, dikhai world, hello world, and run. So hello world is printed, right? And also shuffle means success, and speed is equal to 9.100 milliseconds. Then input what is written input I forgot. Input means mm, अच्छा input to use the things, okay. And okay, agar okay, got it. So if I use name Bikramjit, and I want to use dikhai, I am plus concatenate, then I will be using input, then under that name. I guess it will run. Let's write run. Okay, I don't know why it is not reading. Some error is going on. Okay, input. So pretty fun. I don't know why it's getting wrong. Let me know. Okay, agar I will run some simple ones which I understood very well. Okay, so I will write age equals to 23. Agar and then inside that I will cut these things. Okay, now agar age greater than 18, then दिखाए 18 plus, right? And that I will try to run. I don't know, it is getting problematic for me. I don't know why it is not running. But anyways, it's really fun to explore these things. I hope you also enjoy it. And also they have examples, okay. So they have examples for some close code snippets you want to like write, okay. So similarly दो संख्या के जोड़ना addition a plus b, right? Then दिखाए you can just print that. Then input a, input b, inputs. अच्छा, input is simply like taking inputs. I got to know. Okay, okay, okay. Input a, input b, and c equals to a plus b. So we'll run. Okay, run. Okay, it is taking input. See, so 21. Okay, 112, and it's printing 33. So okay, input means taking input. Okay, it's simply as I said, na Python. Then if I want to run these things, run. So now Angresh, so it is printing all these things. Okay. Then simply examples. If you want to intermediate examples, like if you want, I want to write these things. I will copy this and run. It is taking input first. So input Nam Vikramjit. So it is, I guess, it's printing like a tree. Mm, right. Then addition and all those things. You can just run this code and try to learn these things, right? So it's really pretty interesting to pass time and learning something new, right? So in they have printed these things. Okay, some intermediate examples. Reverse string. So it's a reverse string. So if you want to become this become it, so it inputted string and it reversed the string. So it's a code snippet for the reverse string, right? Similarly, other intermediate examples are there. Advanced examples are there, so like Fibonacci series. So if you want to print Fibonacci series with this column language like Hindi, so it is printing, right? So it is a code snippet for that. Okay. Similarly, I will try to run this code snippet last for the rest. Okay, so code snippet number. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know what happened. You can run. Okay, prime number 7. Okay, so it's a code snippet for the prime number, right? So 7 is the prime number, so it is printing, right? Similarly, other code snippets are also there. You can explore, right? Other code snippets are also there, right? So I just ran some of the few and tried to write code on my own, which I failed, but no issues. You can learn these things from the code snippets and explore a bit. Okay, at the end of the day, I'll go for about. So if you still want to know more about these things, so Kalam is a programming language in Hindi, and it has all the basic functionalities of a modern programming language from loops and all those things. So you can code HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all the browser functionality in Hindi. For now, a basic to-do app is possible. We are working on improvement, so it is improving day by day. Okay. So anyone with a smartphone or a computer can start with Kalam. So it's really made for the people who don't know programming, and some selective facts. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Okay, and also there is learning mode also, something like that. Okay, I don't know what it is, but we'll try to explore more. So yeah, what I'm saying is I hope you have enjoyed the video, and it's really interesting stuff I got to know and I thought of sharing to you all. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you want to learn more of things, then please subscribe this channel. I really share very interesting stuff which I found interesting, and just do thumbs up this video, share to your friends, and I will be back in the next video. Then till then, have a great day. Bye.